Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to turn your photo into a Squid Game character. It's free, fast, and super easy. First, just open the Dreamface app. If you don't have it yet, you can download it for free from the Play Store. When installed, log into your account, and don't worry, Dreamface offers a free plan with weekly credits plus free AI avatar generations. It's perfect for trying this out without spending a cent. And okay, next go to AI filter, this one, and then scroll down until you find screen classics sections, this one, and then just choose Squid Game. And then choose your photo. I will choose this one, and then just tap animate. And see your photo just transform into a Squid Game player like this. It's complete with the green outfits and the iconic background. And when you're happy with the result, just tap download, and then now you can share it with your friends, post it on social media, or keep it as a cool profile picture. And that's it, you have just made your own Squid Game character in minutes. No editing skills needed. Hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.